So one of the high points of the program is that we get to work with organizations which will come in and give kids a hands-on practical aspect of what they are actually learning during the program. It also incorporates some aspects of what they learn in school as well. So we normally work around with organizations such as Beershey, who was the brainchild of Mr. and Mrs. Warren, and they aim get the kids involved in the making of soaps, deodorant, and little perfumes, and the experiments with different scents and so forth. So at the end of the program, the kids get to walk away not just with some theoretical knowledge, but also with some practical work and practical
But you
creation
didn't
that
wax
they
you're gonna
were
use
directly involved with.